Before there was any Tony Stark, South Kerry had Mick Iron Man Murphy. Mick achieved international fame as a cyclist, but started life humbly in Cathair Saidhbhín. With very little opportunity in the area, Mick became a spalpeen, a wandering farm labourer. At that time, a lot of South Kerry men would travel up to hiring fairs in North Kerry, Cork and Limerick, and wealthy farmers would inspect their hands, arms and backs before hiring them for a season of hard work. The days were long, the pay was poor, but somehow Mick found energy for more. He boxed and wrestled, and his incredible strength eventually found him work in the circus as a strong man. After a day's work in the fields, he'd cycle 50 miles a night and 100 on Sundays. There are articles written around Europe about Mick's diet. He ate raw cereals, veg, eggs and meat. One story tells of him cycling home from the butcher's in Cathair Saidhbhín, chewing on a raw steak that he just bought. He also used to drink cow's blood, even stopping during races to take blood from a cow in the field and get back on the bike again. His most famous achievement was winning the 1958 Ross Talton, and not without a few bumps in the road. At one stage, his bike broke, so he ran for 2 miles until he found another bike, grabbed it and carried on. He crashed several more times during that race, with one incident breaking his shoulder. He had to be strapped onto the bike and somehow still won the race by 5 minutes. There are countless more stories about the Iron Man, and here are a few upcoming opportunities to hear more of him. Mar Iran gach alt is fé.